2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, OnStar, Bluetooth, anti-theft security system, four-wheel drive, cruise control, AM/FM CD, MP3 radio, fog lamps, remote keyless entry, cargo cover, daytime running lamps, console, steering wheel controls, tire pressure monitoring system, luggage rack, digital clock, 4-piece floor mat set. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.